All right, Staten Island Express lives on. At this point, everybody, you missed Keith's video last night. He announced that he had left Staten Island, and we all wish him the best in everything he does. But we still talk every day, so it's not like he's really gone. Let me see if I can block this glare. And I was privileged enough, say this right, honored that he has handed me a lot of his work. So I have big shoes to fill. Anyway, I'm gonna go back here a second. I'm gonna stop chewing gum too while I'm shooting a video. So I got called out, 2008 Chevy Silverado 5.3 for another shop. It says that I'm going to try to do this while I'm talking, right? It said that the monitors clear every time you cycle the key. Trouble codes, reading codes. Every time you turn the key, the monitor's reset. Can't get it through inspection. They had somebody check it out. My key is on. Current and history. No fault codes. Okay. They had somebody come out and check it, and they said it needed a PCM. They put a PCM in it, and it didn't fix the problem. So they put the original one back in. I came out, I checked. Wow, that glare is something wicked, huh? Woo! I checked powers and grounds. Yeah, I got my assortment of stuff out here. I put some of it away already. This is after the fact. I have diagnosed it. I have not proven the repair yet. So I can tell you that I'm gonna start this thing up. I'm gonna go back out. Actually, I'm gonna go all the way out. Let's switch vehicle. Let's go back into generic mode. I'm gonna try pointing the camera the right way. Come on. Oh. Okay. Will it let me back out? No, it won't. I love when it gets stuck like this. Come on, out. Out. Yes, I want to exit. Autel, you watching this one? Look. Fix this. Awful tell. I love this tool, but this stuff makes me nuts. I'll come back after it reboots. Alright. Generic data, no codes. And can't look at this from the camera. Number of warm-ups, none. No mileage traveled. Let's go out here. Watch this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to intentionally create some codes. We're going to unplug the throttle body. This thing won't like. We'll plug it back in. We generated 3 codes. Can you shut that off for me? Please. I'm going to shut it off. Man, it's a horrible glare. Let's try it this way. So,
he's got one pint in his head, he's got another pint in his pocket.
Hold on. We'll go this way. They were arguing about some drunk in the street. Typical Staten Island. Guy's walking around with two bottles in his hand looking for a cigarette. Well, it is afternoon time, so we're going to start it back up. Check engine light's still on. We still have codes. We're going to shut it off. We'll start it up. Look at that. Codes cleared. Lights out. All by itself. We go back. We go into trouble codes. Sorry about the glare. No codes. Alright. I will tell you, I have gone. We started off with, like I said, somebody was in here and checked it, and they condemned the PCM for it. They said they checked powers and grounds and everything was good. So of course I do my own. I go in X1 connector. I believe it's pin 20 is our red and white wire constant feed. Yeah, I will clean this up when I'm done. Pin 19 is a pink wire. Ignition voltage 73 is our ground. That's basically it. As far as, there's really only one constant battery, one ground to this ECM. I load tested both circuits. I did find bad pins. I'll see if I get a picture of the bad pin, and I'll put it up over here somewhere. There was a damaged pin in the connector. I'm thinking when somebody was maybe hitting it, might have damaged it, didn't realize it. I'm not going to blame anybody, but whatever. It had a bad pin. So I had the shop owner order some new pins. We're going through this COVID-19 crisis, so trying to get parts is a little ridiculous. So we had to order them and wait like, I don't know, a week. Connectors came in. I repinned the connector, verified the issue was still there. Obviously, it's still here. I did everything from checking charging system and jumping from the voltage dropping from the battery to the connector. Like I said, load tested the circuit. I checked for voltage dropout on cranking. I even went as far as hooking up jumper cables from my truck to this truck to make sure I sustained proper voltage while cranking. I scoped it to make sure it didn't drop significantly low, probably hit about 8 volts just for a split second on cranking. I even went as far as jumping from the battery, both positive and negative, right to the PCM connector. I used a little piercing probe to access both wires. I'm trying to think what else I did. I did everything. Then I started reaching out and asking for help. And lo and behold, found an article from Diagnostic Network where they talk about